So today's technical analysis is going to be on Cardano. So let's open up the technicals, and according to the technicals, the summary is a buy and the moving averages is a strong buy. Let's actually pull out the EMA ribbon, and on the 4 hour we're currently testing it right here. You could see that we're actually testing it, and we did see a big candle here, so it's looking quite bullish, like we're gonna break above it on the 4 hour. And on the daily, we kind of got a bounce off of it from this wick, but we don't know until the candle closes. And on the 1 hour, we're just testing it. So now that we looked at the EMA ribbon, let's go back to the 4 hour and see what kind of charts what kind of patterns can we find. So to me, this looks like an ascending triangle. So if we were to move the lines like this, you could see that we got support here, 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 and here. And we got resistance here, 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 and here. And the target would be measured like this. And we would move this one here, right? And then this one here. And this can potentially take Cardano to new all-time highs. So let's look at what kind of move this is. If we break down, it could be a 45% move to the downside, but if we break up, it can be a 42% move to the upside. Now, this would bring it to $2.62, or if we break down, this can bring Cardano just under $1. Now, let's look at some support on some take profits. Of course, if we break to the upside, like if the price goes like this and it breaks to the upside, then I think we should be looking out for the $2.47 area, because this is the all-time high. So I would recommend, if we do break up, I would recommend taking profits up at these levels. And of course, guys, this is never financial advice. Always do your own research before putting any money into the market. This is just my own opinion. So what I would do is I would take some levels at some profits at these levels, and up here, maybe I would completely close the position. And if we break down, let's take a look at some support levels that we may want to look out for. Let's see. This. And any other strong levels right here. So I would give a lot of credibility to the $1.25 level, because the $1.25 level managed to find support here, support, resistance, and and then I would actually not even go to the full target, since this level also has a lot of significance, the $1.02 level. See support there, support there, support there, and support here, there, and there. This actually is a very important level. Then I would actually, I would take profits off at $1.25, and then I would completely close the position at $1.02. And so that's it for Cardano, except let's actually go to the daily time frame, and let's take a look at the moving averages. Let's see. So it seems like we just got supported by the 14 daily EMA, and you could see that when we get these huge wicks to the downside, let's actually see how much this is. This was like they could be bigger, but 6.5%. When you get those kind of wicks to the downside, that indicates that the bulls are stronger than the bears because they were able to pull the price straight back up. And let's just take a look at what happened each time we got a bounce off of the EMA. So let's go back a little bit. You could see that right here when we bounced off of the EMA, huge pump, right? And then we have another bounce off the EMA, huge pump, right? And then over here, of course, there was a massive pump. We got a bounce, and things you want to look out for are huge green candles. So you could see huge pump. And then we obviously, we went into this bear market over here. But now that we are above this again, I'm going to say that we're back into bullish territory on Cardano. So, yeah. I'm very bullish on Cardano as of right now, and especially for the long term. So, that's going to be it for today. And if this was helpful, make sure you press the like button. And if you think you'll like to see this kind of content more often, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be making more similar content like this. And I'll see you all later.